Hey, West Mitsubishi here. Come on in and take a look at this 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. This brand new vehicle, just like all brand new Mitsubishi vehicles, comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. This vehicle is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic CVT transmission, power windows, power locks, AM/FM stereo with auxiliary port, Bluetooth, and USB connectivity. This is the SE package, privacy glass, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, fog lamps, fast key entry system, black cloth interior, steering wheel mounted cruise control, audio control, vehicle information controls, 8-inch touchscreen display with backup camera, blind spot monitoring system, forward collision mitigation system, automatic high beams, back seats will fold down to give you extra cargo space inside. This can seat 5 people. West Mitsubishi is a member of Credit Union Direct Lending. It can offer low interest rates and reasonable payments to well-qualified buyers. West Mitsubishi also has that triple check guarantee. We check competitors' pricing, offer a vehicle history report, and all certified pre-owned vehicles come with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. See this vehicle and hundreds more at www.westmitsubishi.com or call toll-free at 530-936-2300. At West Mitsubishi, it doesn't matter if you have good credit, bad credit, or no credit. We can get you to a newer, nicer vehicle or into a brand new Mitsubishi vehicle like this 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport today.